Today's recipe is the peppermint chocolate thumbprint cookies, perfect for Christmas, and it is one of the cutest and the easiest and the sweetest cookie to make for your cookie tray. It has the perfect candy cane peppermint Hersheys kisses on top with the chocolate cookie in the bottom, which is a very moist cookie and very easy to make. So let me show you how. The dry ingredients. First I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that we are adding 1/4 teaspoonful of salt and about 1/2 teaspoonful of baking soda, half a teaspoonful of baking powder, mix them together, and to that we are going to add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Mix it. So we'll keep it aside. Now with the wet ingredients, first goes 2 whole egg yolks, just the yolk, and to that I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of white sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar, that is light brown sugar, and this is about a cup of butter. So this is softened butter. So we will beat them together. Usually you can like cream the butter and the sugar first and then the eggs one at a time, but I'm just doing it everything together. So the butter, sugar and eggs are all mixed together. So we are adding about 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract. So we have added the dry ingredient, the cocoa powder mixture, in 3 intervals. Somehow my camera didn't turn on, so I couldn't show you that portion. So this is done. Just blend it lightly, you don't have to do it a lot, and then I'll show you what to do next. We have a parchment lined sheet pan here, and we have the cookie dough here. So we'll take it out. And we'll take some dough like this and make a ball in between your palms, and then place it on the parchment paper. So let me show you some more. Like this, about 1 to 2 inch apart. You do this. So we are done, almost done with the last cookie. So this is about 24 cookies. If you make smaller, it will be around 28. So it depends on the size you want to have for the cookies. So this will go in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and this will bake for around like 7 to 8 minutes. You have to keep an eye on it so it doesn't become too hard. It just stays just right, just moist, and then we'll take it out and put the Hersheys kisses on top. Here is the other cookies which are baked after 8 minutes. So what we're going to do, we'll take the Hersheys Kisses. I have the peppermint ones, so we're just going to place it on top of them and like this. And I would recommend that if you put the chocolates in the freezer, then it will not melt. So as easy as that. Just remove the wrapper and place it on top like this. So what will happen? The bottom of the chocolate will melt and then stick to the cookie. I'm almost done with the last two. You can see some cracks in there, but once it solidifies and that when it cools, then it will be no problem. Just don't try to move it right now. Just let it cool fully. So we'll let it cool fully and then I'll show you how it looks. Now you can see the cookies have cooled and they look perfect, moist from inside and crispy from outside with the Hersheys Kisses on top, and they are just too delicious. If I pick them up, you can see the chocolate has melted in the bottom, and when it cooled it solidified, so they look perfect. And you can package them for your Christmas gift too. It's very easy to make, so I'm hoping that you're making this soon in this Christmas. So see you next time. Bye. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications whenever I post a new video. And thanks for watching. Keep on watching.